Good morning, students. Let's start with a new chapter, that is air pressure and wind systems. Atmosphere is a thick layer of air blanket that surrounds our planet Earth. Although we are not aware of it, air exerts a lot of pressure on us. This goes unnoticed because the pressure within our body is able to counterbalance the outside pressure. The pressure which is coming outside, हम लोग के बॉडी के अंदर भी ब्लड का प्रेशर इतना हाई होता है कि the outside pressure and the inner pressure is counterbalanced. Otherwise, what would have happened? The air pressure is so high that our body, the nerves and all would have got ruptured. So it is the pressure within the body which counterbalances the outside pressure. Now if you go by a river side, you will see that boats with a sail moving easily. Fishermen uses the air pressure to their advantage. We can measure pressure. We can increase or decrease the air pressure and use it to operate machines and to overcome the force of gravity. Now we'll see what are the factors on which air pressure depends. First factor is altitude. When you climb a mountain, you all will notice that your ears pop and your breathing becomes faster. And as we climb a mountain, the number of air molecules decreases and the air pressure decreases. Okay, so why is it so? Because there are few molecules to put pressure on us. So this causes the ears to pop to balance the air pressure inside the ear and outside. Okay, कान जैसे बंद बंद लगते हैं. And for the same reason, you must have seen that some people get some people's nose start bleeding. Why? Because the fine arteries burst as air pressure outside suddenly falls. Air pressure गिर जाता है and the blood pressure stays high. As the number of molecules decreases, that means the oxygen molecules will also decrease, and in each breath we take in less oxygen. So we have to breathe more often. So that is why mountain climbers carry oxygen mask if they plan to climb. So first factor is the altitude. The second factor is the temperature. Air expands as temperature rises. This you have already studied. Okay, when the temperature increases, air expands, the air molecules move apart and they become less dense. Okay, जैसे जैसे heat करोगे और air molecules will move far apart from each other. So less molecules per unit area means less atmospheric pressure. So atmospheric pressure decreases with increase in temperature. ओके एंड वाइस वर्सा, मतलब दोनों तरफ से है. डिक्रीजेज विथ जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज होगा द एयर एटमॉस्फेरिक एयर प्रेशर डिक्रीजेस. Then the third factor on which air pressure depends is the water vapor. Now moist air is lighter or less dense than dry air. So hence it exerts less pressure. Okay, so this is the third factor on which air pressure depends. Now we move on to wind. The horizontal movement of air is called as wind. It is how it is caused? It is caused by the horizontal difference in the atmospheric pressure. So why does wind blow? There are some reasons that why wind blow. Because air molecules have mass and weight. Cold air is heavier than warm air. During the day, sun rays warm the air and it expands. This again you have already studied. When the sunlight is during day, sun rays warm the air. Air garam ho jata hai. It will expand and air becomes lighter and it always rises up. Cold, heavier air blows to where warm, lighter air was. जहाँ पे lighter air ऊपर गया, cold, heavier air will take its place. As cold air is heavier, meaning so what will happen? It exerts higher atmospheric pressure, and as hot air is lighter, it will exert less atmospheric pressure. Okay, so hot air exerts less atmospheric pressure and cold air exerts higher atmospheric pressure. And then water flows from higher level to lower level. Just like water flows from higher level to lower level, air also flows from high pressure area to low pressure area. Now, measurement of wind direction. The direction of the wind can be observed with the help of a wind vane, which is very commonly called as the weathercock. It looks like this, a wind vane, weathercock. Why is it so? Because it has a cock sitting on the top. And then we have got another instrument to measure the wind speed. The speed of the wind is usually measured with an instrument called as anemometer. So the cup, this looks like this. The cup anemometers are used by meteorological station. It consists of 3 to 4 metal or plastic cups on arms that spin around a vertical. See, there is a vertical pole and it keeps on spinning. A dial at the base records the number of revolutions. कितने revolutions किए हैं made by the cups in a given period of time. So there is a dial here which records it. So this indicates the speed of the wind. So in nature, air around us blows slowly or it can blow hard. The air around us gets heated by the sun during the day and it cools at night. So these changes have a great effect on the weather pattern. One activity is given here to show that air exerts pressure on the surface on which it comes in contact. What you have to do, you have to take plastic bottle, hot water and ice cold water. You have to take an empty plastic mineral water bottle and then you have to pour some lukewarm water, okay, halka gunguna pani, and leave it for 3 to 5 minutes with the cap open. Cap को open करके. Then throw away the water and immediately cap the bottle tight. ठीक है, पहले कैप को ओपन करके रखा है, पानी को तुरंत फेंकना है और उसको तुरंत बंद करना है. And then you have to keep it in shade and pour some cold water over the bottle. Okay, you have to put some cold water. So what will you see? You will see that the shape of the bottle gets distorted. Distorted मतलब पूरी तरह से बिगड़ जाएगा. Okay, the shape of the water like this. It gets distorted. What is the reason? See children, when lukewarm water is poured into the mineral water bottle, सबसे पहले lukewarm water bottle तुमने water डाला. Now what happens? It gives out vapors which drives out air from the bottle. गर्म पानी डालोगे तो vapors निकलेंगे इसमें से. And when vapors start coming out, it will drive out the air. Air निकल जाएगा. Now this vapor inside the bottle condenses on the walls of the bottle. यहाँ पे condense होने लग गया जब तुमने इसको cool किया, ठंडा करने के लिए रख दिया, which reduces the amount of air inside, thereby reducing the air pressure inside the bottle. अब इसके अंदर air pressure कम हो गया, okay, less air pressure. अब the air pressure exerted by the air outside the bottle is great. अब जो बाहर से जो air pressure आ रहा है, it is very high. So what will it do? It presses hard on the bottle surface, making it distorted. पूरी तरह से उसका shape खराब हो गया. So what does this prove? This proves that atmospheric pressure is more than air pressure inside the bottle. ठीक है, air pressure से ज़्यादा था. As the air was driven out, all the air had gone out. So the atmospheric pressure crushed the bottle. So this proves that air molecules puts pressure on the outer wall of the plastic bottle. Clear children? I hope that this much is clear. The rest we'll do in the next class. Thank you.